Hi, this is Bill Marquardt with Freedom Boat Club. I'm here with Rafis, who's one of our oldest members, not in age, but in how long he's been with the club, and he's about to take his 200th outing with Freedom Boat Club.
Yeah. Hey, I'm such a happy member of Freedom Boat Club. These guys have taken care of me for 8+ years now. It's just been incredible. It's wonderful to have access to both lakes, Lake Austin, Lake Travis, and even the member our other sister cities too to go out to. It's just been wonderful. The best thing is it's so hassle-free and easy. Just you hop on, you hop off. They take care of everything. And I'm looking forward to another 8 years with these guys. Thanks, Bill.
Good. Thanks, Rafis. All right.